Welcome, 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 welcome. I want to thank you all, followers, friends, collaborators, and all the people that I have been tormenting with my boring ads and horrible content. Today that's going to change. We are spicing things up for our online presence so you guys don't have to block me or put me on hold for 30 days on Facebook. We're going to be releasing new content, new postings, short videos, and one long video for LeatherTech and another one for EM Upholstery Technology. So the hell continues. The tutorials for installation will continue, and guys, we're still working on our personal and business development channel. Yeah, so you know, you won't be able to get rid of me so easily. And here you have it, guys, our very first 1 minute long video. Enjoy.
Oh my god, is that a Dodge Challenger?
Sure is. Hop in, beautiful.
That red paint job is to die for. Wait a minute. You expect me to sit on cloth? Really?
What's wrong with cloth?
Nope, I'm out. Your car needs leather.
But it's a Demon SRT.
I would have ridden with you. I would have been your girlfriend, but your cloth seat ruined it.
Can't we talk about this?
Call LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology and get this fixed. Then maybe, just maybe, call me.
Don't let cloth seats ruin your love life or your style. Upgrade your ride with LeatherTech by EM Upholstery Technology, where comfort meets luxury.